myself Palak Thakur and I am your science teacher of class 6th standard. Today we will discuss about the subtopic of a natural sources, air, water and land, that is water. In previous classes we already discussed about the natural sources, importance of natural sources, different layer of earth atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, ozone layer, air and air pollution. Today we will discuss about the topic of water. What is the water? Water is a life because no living thing can survive without water. Water is needed for survival of every living organism. For smooth functioning of a human body, we need 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Hydrogen gas burning in air can form water. Water is available in 3 different states in nature. Water is colorless, tasteless, colorless, waterless, odorless in liquid. Many substances can dissolve in it. It is called universal solvent. For drinking water, only small proportion of water is left on the earth. Here I am given some point of water. Water. First one it is. Water is needed for survival of every living organism. Amount of water for every organism depend. Second point. For smooth functioning of our body, we need 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Third point. Hydrogen gas upon burning in air can form water. Fourth point. Water is available in 3 different states in nature. Fifth point. Water is a colorless, tasteless, odorless liquid. Since many substances can dissolve in it, it is also called universal solvent. Sixth point. There is a high proportion of water in blood of the animal and sap of the plants. Seventh point. It is said that water is alive because no living thing can survive without water. Eighth point. For drinking purpose, only very small quantity of water is left on the earth. Now, we will discuss about the topic of a distribution of water on the earth. Now, you will see here a diagram here of a distribution of water on the earth. Ocean has a 97%, fresh water has remained only 3% of water on the earth. Groundwater has a 29%, accessible surface fresh water has remained only 1%. Lakes has a 52%, water within living organism has only 1%, river has only 1%, water vapor has only 8%, soil moisture has only 38% remain. That is the accessible surface of fresh water.